Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my second tutorial series on Python. In the first tutorial, you could understand how to download Python and you could write your first Hello World program. I hope you have also set up Python in your PC properly and you are able to get the output for Hello World as well as for various kind of arithmetic operations. In this tutorial, we will further investigate upon assigning variables and various ways to work on it. Variables can be assigned to a number or integer or float or whatever it is, and operations can be done. A variable cannot be a variable which is assigned to a number cannot be operated upon some other literals like character. It would throw you a syntax error saying unsupported operand type for integer and string. So you cannot subtract an integer with a string. A variable can be assigned to a string. A string can be added to another string. A string can be multiplied with a number, so it will appear as per the number. A string cannot be subtracted with a string. A string cannot be multiplied with a string. A string cannot be divided with a string. So you need to remember these things. Now let us write a full-fledged script kind of thing, because it's not always possible to do a command and then command reply type of thing. Soon you will be entering into a complex coding where you will be writing 10 lines, 20 lines, 30 lines, hundreds of lines of code. In that case, it's not possible to work on a command interface kind of environment. So let us assign A to a number 3. Let us assign B to let's say hello. Let us say C as 5. Now let us say D equals to A plus B. Sorry, A plus C. Let us say E equals to A minus C. Or what did it write? Now let us write F equals to B plus B. F equals to G equals to B multiplied by A. Now what do you assume the output would be for each of them? So D equals to A plus C would give 5 plus 3, 8. E equals to A minus C would give 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. F equals to B plus B will give you hello hello. G equals to B multiplied by A will give you hello hello hello. So let us print each of them. Print D, print E, print F, print G. Let us save this as new.py. We will go to our command prompt and write new.py. So our answer is as expected. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.